In this video, I will show you how to apply blue ocean strategy using ChatGPT. You know what? I came across this particular newsletter and I'm subscribed to this called needprompts.com. And it's a very beautiful newsletter where they bring in a lot of prompts on daily basis, so you can go ahead and follow them as well. So I came across this particular article which says like AI uses blue ocean strategies, and this was the prompt required. Blue ocean strategy is a business strategy framework that suggests creating a new market, all those, and this was the prompt. I'll read it out actually. Blue ocean strategy is a business strategy framework that suggests creating a new market space or blue oceans rather than competing in the existing market space or red oceans. This is done by identifying untapped customer needs and creating new products or services to meet those needs. The idea is to differentiate the offering from existing competitors and create demand rather than supply, rather than simply competing on existing demand. And understand clearly about the blue ocean strategy. Now I'll give you the business in brackets. The business is a fast food chain, and apply this strategy to this business to create new market or uncontested market space, making the competition irrelevant, creating new customer needs rather than competing with existing companies in the same market, and offer unique products or services that have not been seen in the market. Now, I was really impressed with the result that it has gotten, right? But I really wanted to, test it, like break this particular prompt to its best, and hence I would let's go ahead and experiment on this a little bit, right? I have taken up this entire prompt, and the idea is to differentiate, and there was some one line missing. Understand clearly about this, and now I'll give you the business. I'll just add that, and now I'll give you the business. Let me go ahead and try out. So here I have added target market, consultants, agencies, and service providers, business consulting, and coaching. So you know what, I'll just remove service providers from here, and I will copy it and go to ChatGPT 4 possibly, and let's try out. To apply blue ocean strategy, okay, we will focus on creating a new market space, identifying untapped customer needs, and offering unique products and services. Here's the step-by-step guide. Okay, it says identify untapped market needs. Okay, conduct market research and gather feedback, develop unique offerings. Okay, create a compelling value proposition, optimize business model, build strategic partnerships, continuous innovation. Okay, I mean, we know this stuff. We should do this anyways, right? So, to be honest, I feel like this particular prompt is a little bit generic. I feel like this is a little bit of a generic thing. I have read Blue Ocean, and it does give a lot of step-by-step approach to creating your USP. So I think we can make it even better. So I have a good old prompt which goes like this. You are a market researcher. You have talked to hundreds of market. And for the ease of our use, what I'll do is I'll remove these and put summarize the current state and what is the desired state, and target market, coaches and consultants, business coaching and consulting would be my service. I'd put consultants and service providers, and agencies. Let's try it out. Okay, so this is the summary of what consultants and agencies, where they are struggling. So this is the current state, and then there will be a desired state. Beautiful, I love it. So very quickly it has identified our current state and desired state. Next, I will say I provide business. What should I cover in my business coaching program to help my target audience go from their current state to their desired state. So let's try this. So here we are basically asking ChatGPT to give us some ideas on what should our delivery look like, right? So this looks cool. Client acquisition and retention, differentiation in UVP, good. Process optimization and efficiency. These are exactly the things that I'm offering in Alpha Club. Access to resources and industry knowledge, scaling the business. So 6, work-life balance and burnout, and pricing and profitability. Good stuff. These are some things that people actually struggle with. Client relationship management, networking and industry connections, teaching strategies for building and maintaining strong professional network. All right, so this is good. So this is something that we should cover in our coaching program. Now, how do we make ourselves unique, right? So that's where the next comes in. The services you just mentioned are already provided by my competitors. What unique angles do you recommend for me so that my competitors can't or are not willing to do what I can? Now, use blue ocean strategy to, make this positioning even better. Now let's see the kind of positioning it will create. Okay, so it says develop highly specialized coaching programs tailored to specific industries, sectors, or roles within the consulting and agency landscape. This will allow you to offer targeted expertise and create a unique market space. Collaboration platform. We can create a digital platform that facilitates collaboration. Bro, this is a good idea actually. Personalized coaching we can provide. Gamification we can provide. Focus on social impact, not really, but I really like the first 4 approaches. Integration of cutting edge technology like AI and stuff. Yes. We can have an exclusive expert network. So let's say if we have a network of experts, we can give them access to that. That will make us unique. Performance-based pricing. This is a coaching program. Performance highly depends on the other side, so I won't need it. Continuous innovation, 100%. Comprehensive support. Okay, so from this, I can see multiple USPs coming in. So niche specialization, number 1, my favorite. Second, collaboration. Third, personalized coaching. Fourth, gamification. And fifth, access to an expert network. So these 5 things, if I use in my coaching business, I will definitely stand out in the market, which my competitors will not do it. I honestly believe this is a much better way to create that USP, create that positioning, and use blue ocean strategy to make yourself unique in the market with AI. The first prompt was okay, but I honestly liked my version better. You let me know which one do you think is better for you, right? And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a comment saying loved it in the comment section, because this means the world to me, and it motivates me to do more research and bring you more prompts so that you can use AI efficiently. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.